Okay, for our first lesson back, we're going to start off with kind of a review of the coding field. So just so you guys remember, so we're going to start off and just remember that the coding field, this is the X direction going this direction, and this is the Y direction going down. Okay, and this upper corner is 0 and 0. 0, 0. Okay, so remember that our coding field right currently is 400 by 400. So this halfway would be about 200, all the way would be 400, halfway here would be 100, and this would be 300. So it increases as you go from left to right, from 0 to 400. Now, the Y, that's normal. That is how math, graphing with math works as well. But for the Y, it's going to start in the upper left corner, 0. This is going to be 200 and 400 going down. This would be 100. This is 300. So you can see how it starts 0, 100, 200, 300, 400. So we can wind up with a point like this, which would be over 100 and down 100, 100, comma 100. We can do a point like this, which would be over 300 and down 100, 300, 100. Or we can come up with a point like this, like right about here. And in this case, that would be over 200 and down 300. So 200 and 300. That's a 3 there, sorry. Okay, so that's just a basic review of how the field works. Let me clear that out. Okay, today's work is going to be doing some text. We're going to review some more texts with something we looked at really briefly last semester. So remember, your first line is going to be your name. Okay. Then we're going to come down here to about 3, and we're going to start off doing some text. So text we have to give a color for text. We have to start off by going fill. And if I leave it at red, that's fine. Let's go to green. We don't usually use green for that. Okay. So the first one, 0, 255, 0. Look at that kind of limey green. Okay. This is going to be green text. All right. Then we're going to do text size. Okay, and this is almost going to be like your font size. Text, capital S-I-Z-E. So that's in camel case, capital letter in there. And I kind of want it to be sort of large, so we're going to go maybe 38 or 40. 40, for fun. Okay, and I want you guys, so right here, then we're going to go text. In text, you have to put, where it says your message right there, you're going to have to put your message in quotes, okay? So I'm going to type, my name, okay? I want you guys to type your name, okay? So maybe I'll put your name. Don't type that. I want you to put your own name, okay? You're going to put it inside quotes there and put a comma, okay? And then we're going to put a position on here. Let's put it right about the center of the screen. So that's going to be 200, 200, and then we can adjust from there. Semicolon. Okay, you can see now actually this gets positioned in the lower left corner of this. So imagine like a dotted box around this, like a dotted box, sorry. Okay. This point right here is the 200, 200. Okay, so if you actually want this to be centered, we probably have to move it back a little bit. So that's going to involve me taking this 200 here and kind of pulling it back so that it looks kind of centered. Okay, this is going to be text size, and this one here is going to be this is going to be your text. Okay. Now I want you to tell me. We're going to do another one here. We're going to go fill, and let's do blue here. It's going to be 0, 0, 255. Okay. We're just using those primary RGB colors. It's going to be blue text. Okay. Text size. Okay, we want this a little bit smaller. Maybe 20. That's going to be about half the size. Text size. Okay. And this one, we're going to do 3 things you like. Okay. So let's say I like to eat. Sorry, remember you got to put the quotes in the front. Like to eat good food. I like to watch Netflix. And I like to play the piano. I don't want you guys to put this in. This is things that I like to do. But you guys just tell me what you like to do, okay? So this one, again, I'm going to do maybe about 100 and about maybe 250. We'll see how that works. Okay, so pretty good. So this is going to be my text again. So again, we're going to adjust this like that and adjust this guy like this, kind of like that. And then you're going to take a screenshot of this. This is going to be your first submission. Your second submission, I would like you guys to do a famous person, and anybody you want. So maybe you put, I don't know, let's say Jimi Hendrix. Maybe I'm going to change the color. I'm going to put him in red. Like that. And then maybe I'm going to put this in magenta, just because he's like a very vibrant guy. I'd like you guys to put a background color on here. Maybe I'm going to do yellow. All right. You guys can do anything you want, creative with this. And then yellow background. Don't get lazy with your comments here. Also, make sure that they'll line up. Just kind of clean them up. That's the difference between a good coder and a great coder. It's if everything looks really nice. Okay, so we have Jimi Hendrix. He liked to play guitar. He liked to sing. And he liked to, okay. So you can just, it can be anyone, living or dead, famous or not, doesn't matter. I just want you guys to create something like that for me. That'll be snip number 2. Okay, guys, have a great day, and that's it for now.